Alright guys, welcome back. It's me, Hunt Fish Hard. I'm out here at Knight's Landing trying for some striper with my little family. In the boat. Ready to hit the water. Guys, you guys ready? Still biting. Oh, load it! Right there, right there! Oh my god! Let me take the bell off. Ooh, that pulled that hard. Sound like a big fish?
Well, it is. It's fighting back.
Of course. Alright guys. Prepare the net. Oh. Don't tell me that's twirl like that is a catfish.
It does look like a fish.
Oh man. But it was a good takedown.
See? Oh.
We'll see what kind of cat. Maybe it's a channel, the bullhead. Oh, right there is a big old catfish. Alright guys, wife caught a big old cat. Hold on, baby. Daddy will get it for you to take a look at it. It's heavy too. Right here, guys. What? Not skunk yet. This is a blue catfish. It's a channel catfish right here, guys. Nice. Releasing it. Thank you. We'll put up a good bite. Bye. No, I think that's a catfish. Not catfish, a striper. If it's a catfish, it will start twirling already. Striper, see? Easy. Just easy right there. Striper right on the face.
What's in there?
Big fish.
Alright. See what Dad got.
This is a striper.
Striper? It's big.
It's big. It's gonna pull drag. Oh, don't throw yours yet, babe. It's heavy, very heavy.
Okay.
This fish is very heavy. This is very heavy.
What the fuck? You're nice in the back.
I know, look, son. I know the fish. I can feel it. It's this big rod. It's like this. This is striper. Don't tell me it's a sturgeon.
Catfish. Did it just fall off?
It's a
Or is it? Oh!
big blue.
Ah.
An Irish style.
Oh, catfish.
Okay, put the net away, babe.
That's crazy.
Your paw is biting too, Minai.
Mommy,
Come on, your bow is, your paw is biting. It's biting me, Nai. Hold it. Hold it.
I'm waiting for it. Okay, I'll hold it.
Yeah, hold it. Hold it. You'll know when it's biting. See, look, watch.
Okay.
See? You see it?
Yeah.
Wow, guys. This is some big old
If I
cat. It bit so hard.
Dad, it's because it's acting like a striper.
I thought it was striper because it was not twirling around. You got it.
Why is it so hard?
Oh, keep.
Hold on.
Oh God.
I'm ducking in the water.
Hold tight. Yeah, like that. You got catfish too? My daughter.
Ah, it's so
Stuck?
Back up. Come on.
Is it stuck?
No, I don't think it's a fish. I think it's a fish. It's ski boots. I need help.
Okay, hold on. Hold on, baby.
Hold on.
Just hold it on there. Let go some line. Make let the fish swim back out a little bit. Yeah, like that.
Oh yeah, it's fish. It's a fish. It's going away.
Click that thing. Hold on, baby.
Oh, you think my fish went away? No, it's still here. Let's keep this one of you guys.
Let me see. Let me see.
You do your own thing. I go look at
Is it heavy? Is it coming?
biting ski boots.
All
Hopefully it's not a
right.
catfish.
It bit hard just like a catfish. I know how a catfish hit now. Slowly. You don't have to pump too hard, babe. Just want to see what it is. I better get my gripper. Wow. Come on. Alright, guys. Fish on. Woman's lucky. Fish on. Ooh, that's a striper. There we go. That's a keeper. Yes. Good job. It hit hard and caught yourself a first striper here. Nice. Choked it too. Iris, I need a plier, baby.
It's right here. Wait. Iris, what's the plier? Who's that? Hey, hold on.
Stay still.
Stay still. Iris, come watch your fishing pole.
Like that.
Okay, let's measure this fish. Alright guys, it's 19 inches.
Alright.
19-inch striper.
No.
Yep.
See what that is. You guys, we're having non-stop action. Getting striper, catfish, undersized striper.
Undersized striper. Itty bitty. They already spawned and got some babies already. Bye bye. Maybe just recast this bait back out there. Sure. When you are not prepared for bait, they're like non-stop eating it.
Yep.
And when you're not prepared for them,
Right now we're getting the non-stop action.
stay still. Don't move too much too. Hold the pole like, no, just hold it lower like at 45 degrees like that.
What is a 45 degrees? If it really wants it, it's gonna go down.
Right, that's right.
So far.
Okay, you can put it back. Good. Sponsored by Kalkal. If you guys are interested in this kind of boat for outdoors activities, please go to my description box. I will have the link in there, and please go order yourself a pair of boots, the Decker boots. There you go, guys. It's comfortable, it's waterproof, keep your feet dry and clean.
We're just talking. The catfish is being washed with
You want to wear my hat? I have the thing cover your back. Right there, on the bottom.
Oh, it's
Alright guys. guys, another big hit. Who went down? Iris,
Yeah.
prepare for another catfish.
Oh my god. Another catfish.
Yes, probably as big as that one.
Oh, nice.
Let's see.
I mean, that's good. I mean,
Let's see what it is.
We'll know till we see it, baby.
yeah. I'm gonna check. Hold up. Get these stuff ready. We're gonna use this.
Coming in like a toad. Like very heavy weight. I got a long slime.
Maybe.
That's why it's so heavy. Ooh. And I can watch your live bait.
See what kind of fish is it?
Ooh, striper, is it? It is a striper, guys. Hey. Oh, can you help me, babe?
Yes.
There you go.
It needs to fill up a little bit more. What is it? Striper?
It is a
Yes,
striper.
striper.
How many pliers is that?
Yes.
No.
All right, babe, what'd you catch?
Nice, good old striper.
Alright, guys. Caught a striper. Right here. Let's measure it.
Long chow.
It's bleeding out a lot.
Nice, beautiful one. 21 inches. 21 inches, guys.
Looks good.
Perfect size.
Sit down.
What? Gonna take it. Take it. Got him. Back it up. You have the phone recording you.
Keep it down, friend.
Annoying. Feel heavy or not? No.
Don't know yet until take a look closer.
Oh, it's hitting too.
Striper. It's small. But
Small one?
Yep.
Pull that.
Got it?
Yeah.
So I can press. There we go.
All right, guys, small one right here. There you go. Not the legal size. Release it back in the water. There you go, guys. Thank you. Get bigger. Guys, fish on.
See what kind of fish it is.
It's a striper. I know it's shaking head.
small one.
Here you go, guys. Beautiful striper, small, but here we go, release. Get bigger, thank you.
This one's biting. We're moving to another spot.
Oh, this is a striper because it's shaky like that. All right, guys. Come on, easy. I don't know, my net might get tangled up already. See what it is. Striper, I need that. Probably got tangled, with that lure too. Oh my god. Yep, it's a nice one.
Slowly fight.
Yes.
Oh, ooh, wow.
Yes. There you go.
Right by the lip.
Yep.
Let's measure it.
Keep it already, but let's measure it. Day today fishing a nice landing. We managed to catch 3 striper, 1 big cat, but I decided to let the catfish go. So till then, stay tuned. Please like and subscribe. Please share my videos. See you guys in another fishing trip. I'm out. Peace.